doing?
Hi, we are Group Stellaron from SMK BUKIT MEWAH Negeri Sembilan. My name is Sean Rao.
Hi, my name is Shreya.
Hi, my name is Nishan Jaden.
Hi, my name is Monica.
Today we're going to be discussing about a project for the DIY Made Simple 2024 Wonder Wheel Paper Plastic Edition.
Wow.
Hi, we plan to create a human anatomy model made entirely from paper, plastic and other elements. Currently in our science lab, there are no human models. Our teacher has been planning to buy one, but it's been too expensive. By making this human model, we can help reduce cost and reduce plastic waste, as our product is very sustainable, cost efficient and environmentally friendly.
Creating a human anatomy model helps students to have a better understanding of the human body. Second of all, this also helps them to learn how the organs are arranged. One key function in our human anatomy model is that the organs can be pulled apart, which are attached by organs in full detail.
So, we're making a human body model made mainly from paper, plastic and other elements. We will use plastic as our outer layer and cover it with paper mache to make it firm. For the organs, we will mold clay to make the shape and cover it with paper mache, as well as plastic bags will be used to make the intestines and tubes for the arteries.
For our cost evaluation, we have decided to use paper and plastic that we have recycled so that we can cut down on costs. Other than that, we will need to purchase a plastic hose that will be 7 ringgit, 3 cans of spray paint that will be 10 ringgit each, some liquid glue that will be 10 ringgit, and clay that will be 10 ringgit as well. Our total estimation of this project would be 57 ringgit.
Wow, that's really cool, guys. Do you all have any final words?
We hope that projects like this can help students to be more engrossed in science subjects by creating models similar to this one.
We also hope this project can help teachers teach their students about the human body in a more interactive way. That is all from us in Group Stellaron.
That's amazing, guys. I wish you all the best of luck.